Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the YouTube app on both Android and iOS devices. Unlike on desktop, logging out of YouTube on mobile is a little different because it's tied to your Google account. You can either use Incognito Mode for temporary privacy or remove your Google account entirely to fully sign out. To use Incognito Mode, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the top or bottom right corner. Under your name, you'll see several buttons. Select Turn on Incognito and then tap Got it. This will allow you to browse YouTube without your viewing history being tracked, which is perfect if you want to keep your recommendations private or just browse without being signed in. To exit Incognito, tap your profile icon again and select Turn off Incognito. If you want to completely log out, you need to remove your Google account from your Android device. Open the Settings app, go to Passwords, Passkeys, and Accounts, then select the Google account you want to remove. Tap Remove Account and confirm your choice. Once the account is removed, you'll be fully signed out of YouTube on that device. Using either of these methods will help you manage your YouTube account on mobile more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.